Hi guys, in this video let's unbox this PORTRONICS Bubble Dock. This is a rechargeable wireless keyboard with a tablet holder. So let's unbox. So you can see it comes like this: unplug, play, dock your way. On this side it gives multi-device pairing, connects up to 3 devices, rechargeable battery with Type-C port charging, wide compatibility, the disability PC, smartphone, tablet. The other side it's all about the PORTRONICS audio, various products, series, PC accessories and car accessories, and other features like dual wireless 2.4 GHz radio frequency, Bluetooth 5.3, and multimedia hotkeys, function shortkeys, noise free keystrokes, software and quarter typing. At the back you can see it comes in such a way. All this PORTRONICS Bubble Dock, model number is POR2192. Its cost is around 2000 rupees. So it comes with what are the contents: a keyboard, USB receiver, one charging cable, and document. So in such manner you can keep your dock your this thing. It comes with 1 year warranty. So let's unbox this. So some paperwork. So to register your email, and this is the instruction manual. So you can see that it comes in such a manner. This is a keyboard, and this is a dock for the tablet, phone, or anything. So this is the keyboard. You can see it comes with the tablet dock, PORTRONICS label, and you can see the Bluetooth mode, 2.4 Hz mode, and the caps lock and the battery level. It shows on and off here, and you can see Bluetooth or the 2.4 receiver. You can see at the behind, you can see the type 2.4 GHz radio frequency receiver. On the side you can see the Type-C port charging, and it comes in such a manner. So you have, I'll just show you, this is my iPad, so I'll be docking it here. So it's a perfect fit. So for the Bluetooth you just need to plug this, and it's a plug and play. You can plug and play and use it, and in this you get a Type-C cable also. So this is the Type-C cable for the recharging. There are some quick functions as mentioned here, like function lock, escape, email, and etc. The function lock, email, all this few buttons, shortcuts. You can switch between Mac OS, iOS with number of keys as per the user manual. Thank you.